Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. Marcel and I this morning are here in Cobbler, here to visit Mr. Bennett, and we have a surprise for him, as you can see right here. So please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video, you will be notified. Alright, so let's go surprise Mr. Bennett. Mr. Bennett.
Hello.
How are you?
Bad.
You bad?
I'm here. Open the gate.
Oh, you say not bad. Okay, from here, so open it from here, so. Oh. Oh Lord. Good morning.
Morning. Sir, General Bennett.
Miss Abby, how you do?
I just look, you know.
Oh, you just a look.
Yeah.
I just not here to this one.
That's all I can do this morning.
Yeah? So you're not there on the farm this morning. What happened?
No, but me here say you come here this morning, so you have to go down there.
Oh.
Ratcliffe gone, carry one little mall, gone up there, so.
Oh, so you soon come back?
Maybe.
Oh, but you look good this morning though. Your face bright and beautiful.
Is that?
Yes, man.
My God, I don't know. This is that.
Oh, yes, this is Tramel.
Okay.
Yes.
This smell.
Oh, wow. So we thought Ratcliffe would be here because I did tell him this morning that we're trying to come very
See,
early.
just come out, you know.
Oh, okay.
Really shock.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so you want to go in the shade?
Yes, we can go in the shade.
Yeah, man. I wonder if the dogs them get used to us
come.
by now.
Just come.
Okay.
What a peace of mind.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. You're coming here, so Mr. Bennett? Oh. Can come up to the cool shade. Oh Lord, so your wife is here this morning? Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mr. Bennett,
Yes, ma'am.
we have a surprise for you. You see me have something in my hand here, so I feel you know.
I feel me.
Yes.
But how if it's a windy?
I eat me, I said too. So you remember the last time we did the interview with you, you said that, you know, good morning. Hi Mrs. Bennett, how you do? We can one little surprise to Mr. Bennett.
So how me can get any?
It's a make a prayer and trust that you'll get one next time. But and the surprise is for both of you anyways.
I hope so.
Yeah, you hope so. So Mr. Bennett, the last time when we were talking, because I know since we got you the prosthetic leg, you've been having some challenges because you say it's heavy.
Heavy.
Right. So we have a gentleman by the name of Christopher Campbell from the US who saw it, and you know, you touch his heart in a special way. So what he did, he went and he sourced you a leg, a prosthetic leg, one that is much lighter and one that we hope, you know, will fit and everything. He says to tell you that you have made such a huge impact on him, and he hopes that this leg will make your life a little bit easier. All right, so we're going to take it out now and let us see how it goes. Marcel, you want to do this or you want me to do it?
You want to put it?
Okay. So we are just seeing it just like you, because even though we collected, we did not open. All right. So we have the leg here, and then we have stump shrinkers. What's this, Marcel?
Yeah, stump shrinkers.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So this you put on the leg, your leg first, and then you. Mrs. Bennett, you want to help me?
Sure.
All right. So this would go on first. Yes, and then we go and open this in the meantime.
pull it up.
Yeah, I wanted to pull it all the way up. Okay. This is... Wow. Alright, got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright.
Fast we are going to jump now.
Ah, so this is it. Feel the weight of it.
Yes.
Yes, this lighter by far.
One finger can hold it up.
Yes, your light it is. All right, Mr. Bennett, we could put on in now and see how it works. I don't know. You have to adjust it how you feel comfortable with it. And see.
You're pretty tall, man. You need like a computer.
How it feel?
You gone all the way down, Mr. Bennett?
Yes, man. You're going right down.
Right down.
Right down
Yes,
here.
Also, it feel like it fit.
Yes, fit now.
Yeah. And see, actually, I move it. Oh. So you want to stand up and try it?
No, but is the whole on?
Is the whole on?
Whole on.
Maybe it will just suck up in.
Work, it will work, it will in.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking.
Stand up a bit.
Take up.
Do you want some? Oh, you have to fix that, Mrs. Bennett. Don't. Oh,
Yeah. The shoes is smelling.
yes. Oh my God.
You just want one pin or something.
Yeah.
I'm always tight here, so.
Okay. You just tight and just so you can stand up and
Stand up, man. You have your foot.
see you coming all the way up, Mr. Bennett.
It will eventually
All right.
work.
Him have a sticker so we can use.
No, we don't.
We have the walker.
Oh, you want the walker, Mr. Bennett, to
yes,
test? Yeah.
Yes, the walker.
So you can test it. But so how does it feel now that you're resting it in?
I can feel this side where
You had the stroke
the
on.
stroke on and it is on it.
Yes. But you stand up for long though. You stand up for a long time.
They put most of the pressure up on the left foot.
Yeah, you have most of the pressure over here. Okay.
Your foot. Wow.
Step on it, Mr. Bennett.
Yeah.
Step on it.
Lift it up, man.
Oh yeah.
Be working banana no.
The baby don't walk out the bar.
So you have to give the baby a little time.
One again. Don't look down on the foot. Look. Like how you used to. Look where you're going.
Nice.
Everything takes practice.
It falling out, Mr. Bennett?
Yes,
Falling out. So it feels as if it can go down in there anymore?
You bukanini.
Oh. Oh, so you feel that it's just something to hold it on would be,
Yes.
Just to hold it on.
yeah, but otherwise it okay.
You look good.
It does.
He come up.
Yeah, it's coming out. So it's maybe just to hold it, get. I guess that's something we can work out, yes.
Some kick or something.
Yeah. We can work on something, right, Marcel? You walk into Spalding this morning, Mr. Bennett.
Never mind.
You know your mind. Oh. Nice. You should have put on your shoe. Yes, good. Yes, it's just like something to hold it on.
Yes.
So, yeah, that's the challenge. Yeah, we're gonna work out that part, Mr. Bennett, and then it should be fine.
That is me can't find him when
Oh, yes. You're turning, Mr. Bennett, to go back to the
Yes.
garage? Okay. Yeah, man, as the time, because you see here. Yeah, so that's the only challenge you have. You just need to hold on a little tighter. So you have to push it down in there.
Kina, come and me kick you.
Oh my God. Nice. Yes, I think so too.
Yeah, go back home.
Oh, you're gone again?
No, make a circle.
Oh, you make a circle. Oh, come me just that tell us, no look like I know your man and walk was Spaldings, Mr. You actually do it.
And probably by the time the strength go down it more.
Yes, that's what I was hoping, that when you press on it, it suction it a bit, so it holds it. It feel like you can push it down some more, Mr. Bennett?
No, I stop at the knee.
Oh, it stop.
It's stuck at the knees. So, so the bottom part, go down to the bottom. The foot go down to the bottom of it, Mr. Bennett? Or
Stop.
your knee, it's
Stop.
up on your knee so you can't go no further.
Okay. Okay.
I guess maybe that little part they can.
Yeah. Or heat maybe. Maybe if you adjust heat to it and close it up.
You have to fit it so you can.
Actually, the difference with the bump,
When you're walking on the bumpy part of the...
and the hip, the place not level.
Oh.
Yes or no?
Right.
So better up here. So.
Okay. So you have a challenge when you're walking on the bumpy parts.
Everything comes under practicing Likkle Valley, how to step here.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes,
It's like you're going now, you know. You have to know where to put it.
Yes, you're absolutely right. So by using and using, and you'll adjust and be better at it. So Bennett say, come let me kick you. You see how it look different when you put some pressure on it, it hold into it. Yeah. You're tired, Mr. Bennett?
Well, so they are just tired. But you have to keep in your mind.
Rest of them.
I guess you want to stop now, Mr. Bennett? You can't stop now. You can always practice later. Uh-oh, you should have turned the other way.
It's all right.
Spinning, yeah. You can pull up the chair to him.
No, man, stay the same place.
Oh, make it stay.
Like him.
Okay. Oh yes, good job, Mr. Bennett. Good job. How you feel with the leg? How is it feeling on you?
Well, I can't explain to tell you the joy that in my heart. Present time now.
Yes.
Knowing to the fact that this is the extreme and the extreme of the start.
Yes.
Extreme of the start. You know?
Yes.
Even when me sit down now, and this leg, and this leg come up.
Yes.
You feel like my belly come up.
Yes. You feel
I
balanced.
let me feel balance. Because I remember when me come out with this now, when me come out and come on my knee,
Yes.
me feel alright on my knee. But it's only the roughness that get the knee
Yes.
hot.
Yes. It
Can't.
hurts.
It hurt. You know, all the way down at the ground when you come up and company stone around there.
Yes.
It hurt.
Yes. Because you're on your knee all the time.
All the while. And the tears come to my eyes sometimes.
Yeah.
But maybe you don't see it.
Yeah.
But
Because you're always so, joyful and up and about. We can't even notice the tears. Oh Lord, and we have to say a special thank you to Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell, I know you went through a great deal sourcing it, shipping it, which is, really expensive, really expensive. Yes.
I have to give Mr. Campbell all the thanks that
Yes.
can't ever express out of my mouth and come forward that he see me and see to it that he did something that is exceptional.
Yes.
Exceptional
Yes,
good.
absolutely.
It's only thing you got to know
Yes.
is to work on this and giant it up and feel good that I feel alright.
Yes.
Because if I'm part of the knee, take care of and go like go. And pat the knee. Then we can creep
Yes.
on the knee. But when we come now and come right here and come round,
Yes.
I say, me have the secondary to move around.
Right.
I'm feeling so happy.
Yes, I know, because you've been talking, because it's been maybe over a year since we'd have gotten that prosthetic leg for you, not being able to use it because of the weight of it.
The weight of it.
Yes, and since then, every time we visit, because guys, there are times when we visit that we don't record, so we're almost always here with Mr. Bennett. We're like family, and if Mr. Bennett don't see we, he makes sure tell Radcliffe, his son, to call us. So we are almost always here, so we know the challenges that he has been having with the leg. So we're more than grateful that Mr. Campbell was able to source this one for you.
I am happy for Mr. Campbell. I'm thankful to Mr. Campbell for the assistance that ever come beside. Come to me at this present time.
Yes,
yes. The only thing that I want to do now is to get the stick.
Yes.
The arm.
That one, that crutch stick.
The crutch stick.
Yes.
Well, I sent it down to one because it was too tall.
So them gonna adjust it for you.
Then maybe get another one that could be adjusted up and down.
Oh, is it to that same place that for the wheelchair in Mandeville that you sent it?
Yes, one.
All right, we can check on that for you.
That is the food for the poor.
Yes, it's not food for the poor, but I know where you're talking.
For the poor.
Not anymore. I'll call her and check on it for you. So it's just for them to exchange it then.
Just exchange and then we can get it adjusted.
Yes,
Just adjust up and down. But if it was just now, this should be quite alright.
Yes.
For me to put on this. Or else, me could have put on my thing on this and
strap it to your
strap it to my
leg.
leg.
Yes. Yes.
Strap it to my leg. Then you don't have to shake off.
Yes.
Shake up this way.
I'm sure Marcel can look at it when we are through and see how best we can adjust that part. Yeah, but apart from that,
but right now, it feel like all my heart come up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Feel like my heart level up.
Yes. Praise be to God.
Like it come.
Yeah.
When the foot let go, see, it let me go down, so,
Yeah, because the leg would be pulling it down. You don't have anything to balance on. Yeah. All right, Mr. Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so glad. I'm so happy for it.
Yes.
my mouth can't explain the amount of thanks that can give to Mr. Campbell.
Yes, Christopher Campbell.
Mr. Campbell,
Yes.
I happy for him.
Yes.
You know,
Yes,
happy
man.
for him.
All right, Mr. Bennett. So, you go farm today?
Well, I want to go to the farm. I'm going to weed some grass. Grass easier to weed more than use the fork and thing like that.
Yes.
And for my knee. And Ratcliffe gone with the truck.
Okay.
But when he come, he will pad the knee.
Yes, pad it for you.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Yes, man. So we can't carry this night gun.
No, you're not carrying a grow?
No.
Oh.
No, me not carry night gun. Me no back, no cash. He's going to
Okay. So when you're on the farm, you feel better when you're on your knees?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
When just take time, creep on the knee.
Okay.
But we can't go without no pad.
Pad because
Pad.
it hurts.
Hurt.
Yes. Yes, and that's because you're consistently on the knees.
Right. Exactly.
Yes, yes.
Why? When you dream, you don't know. And when you wake up, you recognize the dream.
So this is a dream where you wake up, come see this
Come
morning.
see, come
Yes,
see.
man.
The thing that you when you're dreaming, you don't see what happening. But when you wake up in a dream now,
Yeah.
you see exactly what's happening in the dream. But out of the dream, when you wake up out of the dream, you see what you was dreaming
Yeah, dream become a reality.
become a reality.
Yes.
Man.
Okay, guys, I want to use this opportunity to send a special belated birthday greeting to a young lady that lives in Pike in Manchester. She always watches us, and we want to thank her for her support. And we are hoping that she had a beautiful birthday. And her birthday was on May 17 rather. So she celebrated her birthday on May 17. We hope that you had a beautiful one. All right, so her name is Mrs. Carrie Ann Francis Llewellyn from Pike in Manchester. Bless up, enough love. All right guys, so there you have it. Want to say a special thank you to Mr. Christopher Campbell from the US. We are thankful to you for this gesture. We know it was not easy because it's quite expensive, like I said, and the process and all of that. So we're thanking you. Mr. Bennett, as he expressed earlier, is immensely grateful. He said that you have done an exceptionally good thing for him, and he does not even have the words to say thank you, how happy and elated he is. So we're thanking you too. And to everyone else, thank you so much for always, tuning in, supporting the channel and all of that. Blessed love to you, everybody. And until next time, thanks for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.